Planning your dream vacation in Tuscany, the ultimate guide for travelers. So you are thinking about visiting Tuscany. That is exciting. It's exactly what you picture when you think of Italy, the land of rolling green hills, incredible art in Florence, and some of the best wine and pasta in the world. But planning a trip here is different from the US. The roads are narrower and the walking surfaces are bumpy. Tuscany is a region in central Italy with its capital in Florence, full of small towns, farms, and beautiful coastline. People visit for Renaissance art, the Chianti wine region, and medieval towns like Siena and Pisa. In Florence, you'll find the Duomo of Florence, Michelangelo's David, Uffizi Gallery, and Ponte Vecchio. Florence is busy but unforgettable. Siena feels like stepping back in time. Brick buildings, Piazza del Campo, and the famous horse race, Palio. Pisa. Yes, the Leaning Tower is real, and yes, it really leans. It's fun for a quick photo stop. San Gimignano, the tower town that is famous for its medieval towers and stunning views. Very photogenic. The Chianti region is full of vineyards, small villages, and scenic drives. Perfect if you want countryside relaxation. The big question is, when is the best time to visit? Timing is the most important part of your plan. Most experienced travelers agree. The Goldilocks zones are spring and fall, specifically May, June, September, and October, because the weather is just right. It is warm and sunny, but not overly hot. You can walk around cities without melting. In the spring, May, June, flowers are blooming. In the fall, September, October, it is grape harvest season, which is magical in the wine country. Now, a warning about July and August. Tuscany in summer can be very, very hot, often exceeding 95 degrees, 35 degrees Celsius. If you must go in summer, book a hotel with guaranteed AC and do your sightseeing before 11 a.m. and make sure you are well hydrated. How long should you stay? Ideally, 7 to 10 days. Tuscany is best enjoyed slowly. This is not a rush destination. Florence is the capital, famous for art museums like the Uffizi and the giant red-domed cathedral. Siena feels like stepping back in time with its medieval brick buildings and the famous Palio horse race. Don't forget the Leaning Tower in Pisa and the Chianti region for world-class vineyard tours. Where you stay changes your whole trip. You have two main choices, city hotels or the Agriturismo. An Agriturismo is a working farm with rooms for guests. It's peaceful, authentic, and often serves homegrown food. Why is it great? It's peaceful. They often serve breakfast or dinner using food and wine grown right on the farm. It feels authentic. The catch? You almost always need a rental car to stay at one, as they are located out in the countryside. Getting there and moving around. For logistics, most people fly into Rome or Milan and take a fast train to Florence. It's cheaper and very efficient. Use trains between big cities, but if you want to visit small villages, wineries, or stay at an agriturismo, you need a rental car. Small villages often have no train station and limited buses. Watch out for ZTL zones. These are camera-enforced restricted areas in town centers. Park outside the walls to avoid big fines. Now, let's talk about the #1 complaint, sore feet. Italian streets are beautiful, but made of bumpy, uneven stones called cobblestones. Leave the heels at home and pack sturdy sneakers. You will walk much more than you do at home. Finally, let's talk about health and medical care. Italy is very safe, but there are things to keep in mind. In summer, watch out for mosquitoes and heat exhaustion. Drink water constantly and wear a hat. For minor issues, look for a farmacia with a green neon cross. The pharmacists are trained and can offer advice. For non-emergency issues, you can use Pyllola Telemedicine to connect with English-speaking doctors online for prescriptions and advice. This is also helpful for prescriptions refill and medical advice. It saves time and stress. In emergencies, dial 112. Most importantly, fully enjoy your Tuscany adventure. Don't try to do too much. Tuscany is best enjoyed slowly. Thank you for watching. Produced in partnership with Pyllola Telemedicine, connecting you with English-speaking healthcare professionals in Italy 7 days a week.